What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Take You Dancing by Jason Derulo. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll jump all up in that ass and suplex you. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to figure out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's just got 3 chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord is a D minor bar chord. It's going to be 0, 5, 7, 7, 6, 7. Then you're going to a G minor bar chord. It's 3, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3. You need an A major bar chord, which is 5, 7, 7, 6, 5, 5. And then in the chord progression, it just goes back to the D minor before it all repeats again. Once you get your chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It looks like it's down, up, mute, down, up, down, mute. Mute, down, up, down, mute. That's for all the chords. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 down, up.
There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.